And we are in front of an interesting Burstner Campeo C600 Black Forest. And going into the actual spec price, we shall be looking at about 78,000 euros for this model. These are the actual specs of the Campeo C600 with a lot of options inside, and we shall be checking on the back so we can measure actual bed. It's 1.484, and from this side we have an actual bed size of 1.549, and measuring the actual, it's 1.949. It's pretty large bed with a lot of cabinets for all of your belongings. And then going out, and I will be entering inside and checking all the specs. So this is a standard Citroën Fiat Ducato chassis with the ladders to go to the pop-up roof, and in front we have a nice sitting area with a pop-up roof bed. One being there, sorry. And then entering this side, we have a large compartment to actually use as a kitchen place, and we have this fridge that opens from this side. We have two burner stove and a sink with three large compartments from this side and two additional from that side, with this large comfy bed. Switching off on this side, this is the actual sink with the Tet4 cassette toilet and the actual shower, all built in. The actual cabinets from the kitchen are pretty deep. And getting outside to have a final look of this Campeo 600.